Hello everyone and welcome in another lesson. First of all, I really hope that you and your families are all doing great. Let's start. So, in this unit, as you know, we are talking about animals. And in the first video, we have seen wild animals. And we said that wild animals are the animals that live in the wild, animals that live in forests or jungles, under the sea, or even in the desert. In today's video, we will talk about farm animals. So farm animals live in farms. We have seen farms before, right? Do you remember? We said that we can find farms in the countryside. So if you visit the countryside, you will find farms. And you will find also animals living in farms. Farm animals live also in fields, and we can also find fields in the countryside. So let's start. Cow. Cows are big and they give us milk. So the milk that you drink in the breakfast is actually from cows. Sheep. Sheep like to eat grass and stay under the sun. They like to eat grass, play and run in the fields, under the sun of course. Goat. Goats like to eat a lot of grass. They are just like sheep. They like to eat grass, but they can climb mountains. Yes, they are very good climbers. In Morocco, goats can even climb trees. Chicken. Chicken gives us eggs. Rooster. The rooster is very noisy. I'd start screaming in the morning. Turkey. The turkey is bigger than the rooster. Duck. Ducks love to swim in the lake. Donkey. Donkeys are very smart and funny too. Yes, donkeys are very smart, very intelligent animals. Horse. Horses are very fast, and we can ride horses of course. Rabbit. Rabbits like to eat carrot. Cat. Cats are very nice animals. We can have them as pets. And we said that pets are the animals that we can have in the house. Great. Dog. Dogs has been always the loyal friends of us. Dogs have been always the perfect pets. Do you agree?